Alrighty guys, we ain't been able to do much videos here lately, so I'm going to do a home video today. I'm making a flower bed over here. She's prepping it and scraping it, getting it ready. That way, you know, the grass won't come back up through the mulch and stuff. But we got the landscaping timbers we're going to go down the edge of that bank right there with. Fill it all in with mulch.
We got the plants established.
And
just trying to make it look nice.
Got different colored roses and trees. It goes all the way down. There's the last little guy right there, so that's what we're working on here. We will get this thing all prepped out, and we'll be right back with you as we get ready to start laying the mulch and the timbers. Alright guys, we've been scraping this dirt and stuff off top of this and grass. That's kind of what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna have to get around that one by hand, honey. We got a little ways longer to go. We're gonna go to about the end where we got this board right here where this concrete comes out. So look up there. That's what we got done so far. You see the edge line we're kind of going with. So yeah. You might want to clean out that around that and by hand, honey. Yeah, alrighty guys, we gotta run back to Lowe's too. We're one railroad timber short, or not railroad timber, but landscaping timber short. So we're gonna get this scraped out here, run back, get us another one, and then we're gonna come back and start putting this thing together. We'll be right back with you.
We just got back from Lowe's and we got our cuts done and had to pick up a few more of these landscaping timbers. Drilled the hole for putting the rebar in them.
Yep.
And then we're going to put mulch in. So
Got a whole truckload of mulch now, so but we done got started on this thing, like she said, and done got most of the pins drove in them too. Got all of our cuts and holes drilled. She got a few more pins to put in, and then we're going to be on the mulch. So yeah. Alrighty. Whew. It's been hot. We just now got a little bit of shade here.
This is the trickiest one because the bushes.
Yeah, you're going to have to push that tree back so we can hit them. Alright, while you're doing that, I'm going to go down here and look at this. It was a little tricky to get these cuts in here right, but let me back up here so you can see our flower bed. And that's kind of where we're at. Give us just a minute, guys. We'll get these pins drove. We'll be back with you when we get to the next process. Alrighty, the final two pins, guys. We finally got them two on that bush up there. That was rough, but I guess it's going to turn out really nice. Alrighty, one more, and we'll be ready to start our mulch.
Last but not least. And just so you know, he does actually drive these too.
You have a bug on your back?
Oh, get it off of me.
Gotcha. I don't even know what it was. A little sweat beer or something. Yeah, I drove most of them up through there. I was just taking me a break right here. Figured I'd let her do the last couple.
And that is it.
Alrighty, guys. Give us just a second here. We're gonna get some mulch ready to rock. Alrighty, let's get this mulch out of here. Hang on just a second, guys. I'm gonna try to help her get this out of here. Alright. Alrighty.
If 9 bags does not do this, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh yeah, there'll be plenty left over.
Alright.
All in all, I think we have like 57 bucks tied up in this whole flower bed, so it's not an expensive project. Alrighty.
Alrighty, so Let's get to tearing these bags and get this going.
All right. Yeah, we had to run up and down this hill and set all of them out. And that right there, whew, that wore us out. I'm hoping these bags goes a little farther than what it says. It says 2 feet.
Looks like 2 feet to me.
It looks like it's going to go pretty far in it. We might not need all these bags.
Oh, that is hot.
Yeah, why don't you just go ahead and tear you some bags out and then we can situate them as we go here in a minute.
Yeah, that's true.
Man, it's been a hot day today. It's probably been about 90, 91 up here while we're trying to do this. I'm glad the shades finally come out on us because a while ago when we started this, we was in dead sun, boy. It got hot. That black mulch gets super hot too, whereas in the back of the truck, it'll burn your hands. It's so hot. I'm thinking we may have a bag or two left over, huh? Oh man. See, we still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags left. And you guys can see already how far it's went, so. But she's turned what, 3 bags in 2 now?
Yeah.
Not too bad. But this flower bed's not real wide either. It's like 2 foot wide, so.
Yeah, by the time I actually get all this down, I think I won't need those last 2 bags right there.
Might not.
Which is fine because I have other flower beds.
Yeah, well, we got plenty of places for it, that's for sure. Got flower beds all around this place, so it will not be wasted. Phew. We haven't been able to get out and do no videos. Our car's been tore up for a while now. We're having a hard time getting it fixed. We went today and tried to get some tires changed and couldn't do that, so that's when we got the idea of coming home and doing this and trying to get a video of this. We was going to do this anyway, but I figured we'd just video it too. Try to get a video for you all.
I feel like I need to spread that out to see where I'm at.
Nah, you probably still got another bag or two's worth anyway, and then you can just work it down the hill. I'd say at least put 2 more in there. Give us just a minute, guys. We're gonna dump. I'm gonna help her dump some of these bags, and
I'm on the last bag.
and then we're gonna work out and see kind of where we're at.
Alrighty, we're down to the last 2 bags. Apparently I was wrong. We definitely won't need them.
Yeah, well, look right.
Deeper down here.
We got pretty close to the end, but it starts getting deep down here, so probably gonna need the last 2 bags. But yeah, right there it is so far, guys. It's looking pretty good up through there. Like I said, this here is only 57 bucks, so not bad at all. Spread that around first. You may not need all that other bag.
I was already thinking about that.
Yeah, might as well open another bag and just dump it in there. Because it starts getting deep right here.
Yep, especially up against this concrete.
Let me try to dump this and camera this too.
Okay.
You got it? Because I can't hardly operate both. That's why I'm letting her do it.
Dan, if you guys like watching landscaping and stuff,
Let us know.
we have another piece of property that we do a lot of stuff on.
Yeah.
And so we'll get some more videos if this is something you guys actually enjoy.
Yeah. If you guys like landscaping videos, now we're all the time planting and doing stuff also. So just comment below and let us know if you like it. We'll do more videos like this if you all like it and stuff. No, you don't, because you got a hole right up there. You can put some of it up there. Take a few handfuls up there. I don't know. There's big old logs and everything in this stuff. Yes, I could try to help you. But yeah, might go ahead and start trying to clean up a little bit right here, and I'm going to bring the leaf blower out too, and I'm going to blow all the stuff that's on the concrete off and everything, make it all uniform, and clean. Been wanting to put something down there, but we don't know what because our neighbors run through it with their trucks. So whatever we put down there will probably get ruined. Alrighty, guys, this is probably going to be it.
Like and subscribe. Comment below.
Comment below. Let us know if you like these videos. We got plenty more stuff like this we can be doing. So.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Catch you on the next one. See ya. I think it looks pretty good.